What's good, everybody? Welcome to Life on Beagle Road. Today we got something special. Stick around, find out what we're working on, because it's gonna get crazy in here. I do my best thinking sitting on this guy right here. A lot of time spent here. You know what I'm thinking? I'm thinking it's about time we redo this bathroom. Get it a little bit more up to date. That's not even attached. Just put that back in there. Today, we are in our downstairs bathroom. This is the room that has needed the most work. If you can see, I start stuff and don't really finish it. That's pretty much this entire room. I've even got a hole in the wall. Right there. Told Courtney that one day I'll actually finish it, but I haven't done that. So let's get started. What I'm gonna start with is get everything in the room out of the room. Haven't really decided if we're tearing out the tub yet. It's a little bit more work than I think I'm really looking to do right now, but who knows? First step is gonna be to get this cabinet out and start taking out this cabinet. See where we end up. I've already taken all the stuff out of here and put it in some plastic bins. It's sitting out in the hallway. What I'm gonna do now, I even took the shelves out, so there's no shelves in here anymore. They're all sitting in the tub. So we're gonna get this thing out. The cabinet's actually not secured, and the reason is so you can get access to the plumbing. All you'd have to do is pull this out, get in there, get what you need. So let's get rocking and rolling. It's probably a two-person job. Okay, I lied, it is secured, so I'll be right back, get a screwdriver. I got my wife a tool set for Christmas because she keeps stealing mine, so that saved me a trip to the garage. Not bad. So, like I said, it gives you access to the plumbing, which I don't think we're gonna reroute at all to do anything special. I wanted to move it up against this wall. I don't think we're gonna do that. I also wanted to put the toilet in here. Courtney didn't want to do that either, although we might. We only need one roll. I don't need 12. Okay, I'm good. You gotta put your kids to good use, you know what I'm saying?
I won't even move. I won't budge.
Try harder. Little grit, kid. A little grit. Great job. Fantastic, Emmy. That was easier. Same. Always loved that, I always think I have the right tool for the job and then I need another tool for the job. Now I'm all set. You're not gonna believe this. It's too fat. I'm gonna make it work. Look at that. Earlier today, ran to the store, got a bunch of stuff we needed, and I've been in here working on some things. So I took out the baseboard. I started pulling up some of the linoleum flooring. Turned off the sink and started to crack the top off so we could take this sucker off. So that's what I'm about to do now. Interesting thing though, as I'm trying to get some of that done, the pipes in here, the knobs were so rusted I couldn't even get them. That was an interesting task, trying to knock those loose, but not to worry. They are loose and I'm ready to disconnect this sucker. Small problem. All that stuff right there, I gotta cut around it to get this out. That should wrap up pretty much everything we're gonna do today. The only thing I have left to do is to do some demo over here. But yeah, we've got everything torn out, and the thing we're gonna do next is to tear out some of these studs, re-wall this whole interior so it looks less like a closet or doorway and more like, I don't know, some sort of grand opening.
I can feel my body.
It's a gosh darn awful mess everywhere else. Got a nice little respirator, so we're good.
Let you get the best of me, better my worst enemy. This is a no-go. I just can't take hold. This is a danger zone. Back up and get me home. This is a no-go. I just can't take hold. This is a danger zone.
If you haven't already subscribed to our channel and hit the bell for the updates so that way you can follow along this entire build series to see, you know, what kind of craziness we've got going on here in the Life on Beagle Road Archer household bathroom. Thanks a lot, folks. If you like what we did today, check out some of the ones below. Be good.